Hello friends, and welcome to the channel. Today we will show you an application from Microsoft called PC Manager. If you find this video useful for you, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. So, let's start. First, open your browser and search for PC Manager. You will find Microsoft PC Manager. Click on it. Click Download and it will be downloaded to your PC. Click on Application to start setup. Click Accept. Then install. After finish, click Launch Now. It will open. You will find Boost your PC's performance. As we can see, memory usage is 19 and temporary files almost 500. Click Boost, and it will delete temporary files and decrease memory usage. Then, click Health Check, and you can mark them and click Proceed. Now we will go to Storage Management. Deep Cleanup. It will scan files to be deleted. Click Proceed, and it will clean it for you. Click Done. Go to Manage Large Files. You can select files greater than 1 GB in any of these categories and click View in File Explorer. And if you don't need it, delete it. Now we have Manage Apps and Storage Sense. Manage Apps will open a shortcut in the system you can manage your apps from. And Storage Sense will open Storage Sense from the system also. Go back. Click Process Management. You can end any unused processes to make your system run faster. We can end Microsoft Edge. Go back. Click Startup Apps. You will find apps starting automatically with Windows. You can disable any of them from here. Go back. Till now we are on Cleanup tab. Now go to Security tab. You can check and install Windows updates from here. Go back. Browser Protection. Enable block change by malicious apps. Also, we can change our default browser to be Chrome if we want. Go back. Click Pop-up Management. And you can enable pop-up block from here. And any application that supports pop-up will appear here. Go back. You can scan your PC or laptop from here. Just click Scan. And it will scan your PC for you, and if any threat is found, will appear here to take an action with it. Till finish, let's open Settings. You can make the app start automatically when login. And also to update application automatically. So there is no threat found. That's it. I hope the video was useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and like the video and share it. Thank you for watching.